Why to learn writing macros. Hi everyone, I would like to demonstrate how VBA can make our life simple. As this introduction class, I would like to demonstrate an example where I have a task to change the sign of the numbers here. So I would like to change the sign for that. So if I had to do it manually, I would do it in this fashion. I would select the first cell, hit in the formula bar the start, add a minus symbol, hit enter. Again do the same steps for all the other cells. But if I would knew a little more Excel, then I would do it in one go. I would write -1 here. I would copy this and do a paste special values, and at the same time use multiply option so that everything gets converted to minus. But imagine if you face this situation very often, like you need to change a few values to plus, to minus, or basically convert signs. So it's good if you know VBA to write a macro so that you can use it on any range of cells. So let me demonstrate a quicker example of how to write such a VBA code. So to enter into VBA editor, I hit Alt F11 and this brings up the VBA editor for me. So I add a new module. I'm not gonna go in detail about what this structure is, what is all these windows, the locals, the properties and all those things. I'm just gonna give a small brief example of how this works. Fine, so I'm gonna start my macro with this syntax, and then for those who know the conditions for and each, it will be easier for them. For those who don't know, just pay attention here. I would say for each in selection dot cells or that value is equal to minus or dot value next R. Fine, so this is the code that I have written to change the sign. Now the next step would be to assign this macro to this button. Fine, so now I do it on a click of a button. I select the cells, I hit this. You see, it's all in minus. I want it back, I hit it back. I want to change the sign of this, I do it. Done. I want it back to positive, I'm back. I can select any cells, any number of cells. Done. Change sign. Do it on all. So this is the power of macros. So this is the way how you write a macro to automate your task.